What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress Themes, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you a solution in the case that you want an alternative for Google Analytics. The Matomo Analytics is a privacy-focused analytical tool that can track your website visits, traffic, data, and other things, and it's more focused on privacy, okay? So it's a free solution and it's really easy to set up. Let's learn how to do this in today's video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. After this, please log into your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, it's your domain plus WP admin or WP login. Enter with username or email and password. You're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one. Review the left sidebar of menus. Hover mouse over plugins and click into the submenu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, to search plugins, type Matomo Analytics, just like this. Click on Install Now from Matomo theme. Then click into the Activate button. Now we have some important things to do, okay? The most important thing is update your privacy page. You need to let your users the option to opt out, to reject the analytical on your site. So copy this shortcode. Go to your WordPress left sidebar of menus once again. Hover mouse over settings and hit the submenu privacy. You can create the privacy page. WordPress is going to create one for you. Now into this page, you can enter the Matomo shortcode, just like this. You can use plus, search for the shortcode block, enter the shortcode right here, okay? Simple, right? Or just enter the shortcode into any piece of the content. Publish the page and update it, okay? Now go back to WordPress dashboard, settings, submenu privacy. Make sure that you have chosen the privacy policy page to be used as the privacy policy page, okay? After, go back right here and click on Enable Tracking Now. Tracking is enabled. Once data is tracked, your reports will soon appear. Now, right here, as soon as you activate the plugin, you're gonna be able to find a couple of useful links, some banners, some nice options, but review the left sidebar once again. Next to settings, you're going to be able to see the analytical tool, and right here we have the summary, where you can start collecting data and understanding your data. We have today, yesterday, last week. Of course, it's going to take some hours to collect all the data, okay? But all we have to do is wait to see more data. We have reporting, where you can see all of the information and all the info that you want about analytical tools. Simple, easy, effective, and works great for free. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!